Hi, my name is Cheryl Hart, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to my School of Librarianship portfolio. This website was designed for easy navigation. To view each of the 5 standards for initial preparation of school librarians, simply click on the desired tabs at the top of the page. Once you have selected a standard tab at the top, the heading at the top tells you what the focus of the standard is. Each standard has 4 elements which can be viewed as you scroll down the screen. Each element is stated along with a description of the artifact selected to illustrate that particular aspect of the school library. You can also find an analysis of the artifact as well as a reflection on the process of reaching that element. Each artifact can be viewed by clicking the button found to the right of the description section. One of my favorite artifacts is the banned book lesson I did during my internship, which can be found at Standard 1.1. I worked closely with an English teacher to create an engaging lesson about banned or challenged books and the freedom to read. This lesson was able to fit seamlessly into their To Kill a Mockingbird unit. Another artifact I thoroughly enjoyed creating was my Policies and Procedures webpage found in Standard 5.3. By creating this webpage, I put the important information that future patrons could have questions about, like how to find resources such as databases or websites, as well as our online card catalog. I also loved creating the reading promotional plan from Standard 2.2. I wanted to create a program that would encourage and foster a love of lifelong reading and learning. I wanted to give students the opportunity to be creative and combine the arts with reading while encouraging them to broaden their comfortable reading genres. Thank you for taking time to view my portfolio. If you would like to contact me, you can locate my contact information at the bottom of the home page.